Alright guys, if your gutters are getting clogged up and instead of going out, they're just coming down the side and destroying your yard, this is the reason. The contractors, they'll do whatever they gotta do to get the job done. They put these 2-inch screws instead of the typical 3/4 inch screws all throughout the spout area. So if you can imagine these screws that go in here, and they come in every couple inches here, right? So every time there's a screw, that's just going to be keeping your leaves and sticks and everything from coming through. So what I did is I just unscrewed these pieces, and look at that. Let me see if you can see inside there. See that? The screw that was here didn't let anything go down. So I just took this one apart too. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? That's what happens. So what you want to do is just take the screws out. Like here's another long one, you can see right there. Take all your screws out, get this cleared out all the way down, and then replace it with shorter screws. And you probably won't ever need to come out here again. So keep that in mind.